Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you my 5 top makeup essentials. First thing I use is this Tarte Shape Tape. It's amazing for under eye, it's amazing for eye primer, it's amazing for so many things you can use this for. It's basically like a foundation in this small tube. However you want to use it. I use it really quickly and I'll show you later in the video. I get this at Ulta, by the way. Next thing I love is this beauty blender. That's what I blend the concealer out with, and it's great. Get this at Ulta or Sephora. The next thing I would use would be the Maybelline powder. It's great. It's the Fit Me. Get it at Target, whatever pharmacy you guys go to. It's great coverage as well. Next thing I use is this Hourglass eyebrow pencil. I seriously cannot rave about this anymore. I get this at Sephora. Sephora is the only place that covers this line, and it's very clean. It's vegan. They don't test on animals. I love that. I also love how thick this is. I've had the Anastasia eyebrow pencil and I feel like it's very thin and you go through it pretty quickly. I feel like I'm getting my money's worth with this. So get this at Sephora. Next thing I would use, this you can get it at Target. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I get a ton of comments and so many people rave about my eyelashes. So go out and get yourself that. The last thing I use is Life. I don't even know why I never found this product before. I've probably bought this maybe 10 or more times. I use it almost every single day. If I'm getting on a quick conference call for work, I literally just put this on and I go. So I really don't need any of these products, but this is the only one I want to be cute for going out quickly. So this is the Dior Addict Lip Glow. It's great. I get Raspberry 007. It changes to the pH levels on your lips. It's amazing. So watch me put it on. Thanks guys for watching the video. If you want to buy any products, the links are below. If you guys have any tips or products you want me to try, comment below. Remember to subscribe. Until next time.